Hi everyone, I'm Simona, owner and creator here at Rusalka Soap Studio. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my soap studio. Let's make some soap. The soap I'm making today is pretty straightforward, but what's exciting about it is that I'm testing a local fragrance and it's always exciting to see how it will behave. Using this fragrance for a couple of reasons. One, because I know that it behaves super well in soap batter, and two, I absolutely adore the freshness of this scent. Description for this fragrance says a clear, warm winter's day with initial notes of passion fruit that evolve into mild spices and craziness. Yum! I just love the smell out of the bottle. I think I'm procrastinating here a little bit, or maybe gaining courage, so let's see how this fragrance behaves. I've never seen anything like it. It's just like this fragrance oil has curdled my soap batter. It's not very visible on my pour, it's nice and fluid, but I think I should have used stick blender for a little bit more, so let me just pour the blue one, the safe soap, and get to the stick blender. I just decided to pour the soap, but not before I do a little bit of design inside. Couple of days before I unmolded the soap. As you can clearly see, the fragrance oil somehow separated from the soap, but I'm just gonna go and proceed cutting and see how it looks inside. happening to other soapers here on YouTube, but never experienced anything like this before myself. So I'll just cut up the soap and let it rest for a couple of weeks. I believe that the fragrance will get incorporated into the soap then. Really loving the scent of this fragrance. It's warm and sweet and all cuddly, so I'm very happy with the smell. However, I think I made a mistake by not blending this fragrance enough into my batter, so I'll definitely try this fragrance again and let you know how it goes. If you have any questions about my soap making or this fragrance oil or anything, just leave me your comments below. I'll get back to you. And now I'm leaving you with a couple of beautiful photos.